Jane has a tedious office job where she fills out the same reports over and over again. She asked for help to automate this task, but it's not big enough for her company's automation center of excellence. What if she tried to automate it herself, but she can't code? Andrew is an RPA developer at the Center of Excellence. He's working on the next big automation that will save his company millions of dollars and his colleagues from all those endless hours of routine, mind-numbing work. And here's Mary, who'd love to automate her testing projects to be more productive with her time. But she's a quality assurance engineer, not an RPA developer. How could she pull it off? Jane, Andrew, Mary, we've got you covered. Here's a tool that works for you. Visual DIY automation without any coding for Jane. Advanced automation features for Andrew, the savvy RPA developer. And for Mary, all the specialized activities she needs to automate her testing projects successfully. One tool, one installer, 3 ways to automate. UiPath Studio is intuitive and has many simple templates to get you started quickly. There's detailed documentation and free training with UiPath Academy. And because they're all on the same product, Jane, Andrew, and Mary can share their automations and collaborate on more complex projects, enabling good ideas to flow throughout the company. Greg in IT will also be happy that he only needs to work with one installer, that all product versions interact with each other, and that they have one single set of governance rules to cover all his colleagues. Now that you've got the hang of it, what is the next project you want to tackle to make your life easier?